Hi, friends. How are you? Today, Miss Charles is going to read a little story about another reason why our school is closed. Okay. Um, the title of this one is called What is the Coronavirus? I know that you've probably heard this a lot. Maybe you've heard your family talk about it. Maybe you've heard it on the news. But I just want to read a little story about what it is and why it's so important that we keep washing our hands, okay? To help us stay healthy. All right. What is the coronavirus? The coronavirus is a virus that can make people feel unwell. The coronavirus can also be called COVID-19. So it's something that can make us feel unwell. And you see what the people here, he's coughing, has a temperature, and those are the germs. People who have the coronavirus may have a fever, a sore throat, or a runny nose. So those are the symptoms of coronavirus. Most people who have the coronavirus will stay at home to get better. Some people who have the coronavirus will go to the hospital to get better. So some people stay at home, some people might have to go to the hospital. You can help stop the spread of germs by washing your hands with soap and water. You can take your time when you wash your hands, making sure that you wash between your fingers and all over your hands. You if you can't use soap, you can use hand sanitizer. You guys know that we do that all the time. So that's why it's important to sing our song because we know that those germs, when we wash our hands for those 20 seconds, we get all the germs off and we wash them right down the drain. There will be no school for a while, friends. We will not go back to school until May 15th. And they may even change that date, okay? But school will reopen again. Okay? And Miss Charles will let your parents know when it's time for you to come back to school. I will stay at home while school is closed. I will complete schoolwork, homework, or any other and watch my videos. You guys can watch your videos while you are at home. Okay? I know that I will be safe and I don't have to feel afraid. I will be safe and happy at home with my family. The end. So, friends, guess what? That's where I am. Miss Charles is at home. This is my house. My apartment. You guys know I live in an apartment. See, that's a picture that I have there. My living room and my kitchen. I'm at home. I'm not at work. We are all at home so that we can stay healthy, okay? So I hope that this lesson helped you. We know want you to know there's nothing you have to be afraid of or anything like that. That we're home because we want to stay healthy, okay? So friends, if you have any questions when I call you, you can ask me any questions that you would like to ask me, or you can ask mommy and daddy to write them down so when I call, if you have any questions, I can answer them for you, okay? All right, friends, I hope that you have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.